let's see how to run YOLOv4 on Windows 10. First go to settings, then update and security, then for developers, then enable developer mode. Click on this, then next go to control panel, click on programs, turn Windows feature on or off, go down and enable Windows subsystem for Linux, then click on OK. Just restart it now. After the restart, go to Microsoft Store, search for Ubuntu, click on Ubuntu 18.04. Just install this. I have already installed. I'll click on launch. It will ask for username and password. Just type it. I have already installed, so it won't ask again. Later, copy this one after the other and paste here and click enter. After installing everything, then open the Chrome and search for cmake. The link will be in the description below. Just download this. Then install. Click next. Everything is next. Install. After downloading, open cmake. Click on run as administrator. Yes. Then check here down if the cmake server is on or off. It will show here icon cmake. It might be here also, bottom left corner. Later, copy these three and paste it in the Ubuntu. Click enter. If this comes, then everything is alright. Okay. Every time you have to copy these two and paste while running. No need for this. This is just to check if it is working or not. Next, download the Darknet. Click here and download the zip file. And scroll down. Click on pre-trained models. Then download YOLOv4 Tiny and YOLOv4 Weights. Click on YOLOv4 Tiny. Right click. Save as. Just remove the txt extension and save it as all files. Save. Later download this weight, YOLOv4 Tiny Weights. It will be 23 MB. After downloading all the required files, just extract this Darknet master. After that, open this Ubuntu, type cd. I have in F drive, so I will type \mnt mount of F. Okay, so this is in the F drive. I have in F drive, then test, then Darknet master. If you want, just copy the path, cd, okay, cd, just make it /. After that, search for make file, right click, open with notepad or anything else. If you have a GPU, then set this as 1. If you have CUDA installed, then set this as 1. Then if you have OPENCV, set this as 1. So I'll set this as 1. Set AVX and OpenMP to 1 to speed up on GPU. Sometimes this won't work, so I'll keep this at 0 itself. Then save the file, Ctrl S, save. Then open Ubuntu and type make, M-A-K-E, click enter. Wait for 5 minutes. After it completes without an error, then minimize this. Just copy the weight and CFG file inside this folder, Darknet master folder. Paste it. Next, I'll paste one test video, test.mp4. After that, we'll check if the Darknet is working or not. So just open the Ubuntu, copy the code to test. This is the test.mp4 is the file name, and this is the weight, and this is a CFG file name. So this is the data which the classes are present. So just copy, paste, click enter. So let me check for the image. Just copy this code and paste it and click enter. So here you can see the prediction made. So I'll just close it. So while running, just make sure you have opened the Xming server and pasted these two commands. So this is how you can run YOLOv4 on the Windows 10. Thank you for watching. See you later guys. Bye.